Tired of missing important events? Want a simpler way to stay updated? Many students struggle to track events due to scattered information across platforms. Feeling overwhelmed by notifications? Introducing Univents, a centralized web platform that consolidates all university events in one place. With Univents, easily explore events, check details, and participate. How it works. Students can explore upcoming events easily. Check event details to stay informed. Add events to Google Calendar with automatic reminders. Admins have the ability to add and update events on the platform. With easy event access, we simplify campus engagement. Students stay organized, ensuring they can manage their time effectively. Being well-informed helps students make better decisions regarding their studies. Never missing opportunities allows students to engage fully in their educational experience. Sounds interesting? Univents, join today and enhance your campus experience. Get started.
Hello everyone, here's the front end of our Univents web platform. We have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript to develop this, and let me explain how it works. First of all, there are two buttons in the navigation menu, one for sign in with Google and the other for go to the Google Calendar. Then after, there's a large banner which is showing the countdown for the nearest upcoming event. Then after the upcoming events, so you can filter the upcoming events by date and the event type, and also the faculty or the organizer and mode and the calendar status. So here if I put it to the faculty of computing, then it shows only the events from faculty of computing. So these are some events already added by the admins. Let me show you how to add events by logging as a admin. Here, now I'm going to sign in with Google. Then I have to choose my Google account. Here I'm going to choose my admin account. Here I logged in with my admin account. Once I logged in, it shows another new button as a create event. So only the admins can create event. Now I'm going to create event. Here you have to add the event title. I'm going to add this one. Then the subtitle. Then you can add a description with event details and the other links. Then you have to set a date. Then after, you have to set the time. Then the mode, that's physical, and event type, and then faculty or the organizer. Then you have to add the image. Once you create the event, you can see the event in the event list. So since you are the admin, it shows the crown icon, which means you have the access to delete this event. Here, once I click on this event, the added details are showing, and also you can delete the event from here. Let's say log in with another account. So I'm going to log out from here. Then I'm going to log in with another Google account which has the admin privileges. here this is another admin account. So you can see there's no crown icon in this event because of this is not the admin account which created this event, so you cannot delete that event. Then here you can create another event from here. Let's set the mode as online and the competition. Right, so you can see it's created the event. Now it has the crown icon, so I can delete this event as well. Here I'm going to delete it. So this is how admin privileges are working, and also admins can add the events to their calendars. Like here I'm going to add this RoboGenesis 2025. You have to click this, and here that's a button, add to calendar. Once you click it, the event will add it. Here you can see the event RoboGenesis. It shows the description and the other relevant links as well in the Google Calendar, and also it's created 30 minutes before and 1 day before notifications as well. Right, let's see how users can see these events and how to add them into their calendars. Now I'm going to log out. Again I'm going to sign in with Google. Now I go through with a user account. Now I'm in a user account. So in the user account, the create event button is not showing. So as previously, uh, you can add, you can go to the events and see the details and add them to your calendar. Here let's add this one as well. Let's move to Google Calendar and see how it shows. Here's the events that we have added, this one and this one.
Our web application is powered by a robust backend built with Ballerina. Let me quickly walk you through how it works. The Ballerina backend has three main jobs. First, we manage all our data. It connects directly to MongoDB database to store, retrieve, and update all the events information you see on the main page. This is what allows us to have a persistent shared calendar for everyone. Second, it handles user authentication. When you click Sign in with Google, our backend takes over, basically communicate with Google using Auth 2.0, manage the tokens, and get your username for personalized greeting. It also determines if a user is an admin, which control who can create new events. And third, it integrates with Google Calendar. After you logged in, the backend use your authenticated session to connect to Google Calendar API. When you click Add to Calendar, it sends the event details to Google, creating the event in your personal calendar for you. By using Ballerina, we were able to build a secure and efficient backend that seamlessly connects our databases, Google services, and our frontend, creating the smooth user experience you see here. Our Ballerina backend has two distinct HTTP services. One service handles the core event data, such as creating, reading, updating, deleting from database, while other manages user authentication via Google and integrate with Google Calendar. First service acts as the primary backend for managing the central repository of events. It listens on port 1991 and communicates directly with the MongoDB database. This service has three main functions. First is the get event function, which retrieves all the events uh, you see on the website. And the second is post event function, which create a new event. And the third is delete event function, which delete a specific event using its unique ID. Second service handles all the user-facing interaction, including login with Google, checking authentication status, and adding events to a user's personal Google Calendar. It is now port 9090. This has five main functions. First is get login function, which start the user login process. Second is get auto callback, which handles the redirect back from the Google after a user logs in. Third is get user and get auth status functions, which check if a user is currently logged in and get their details. Fourth is post logout function, which log out the user. And finally, post event function, which add an event to the logged in user's personal Google Calendar.
And that's a quick tour of Univents. We have created a centralized and dynamic platform for all campus events, built to be simple, secure, and fully integrate with the tools students already use every day. By leveraging the power of Ballerina on the back end, we have built a service that's not just a functional but also ready for future growth. Thank you for watching.